Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to deploy a Python Flask application on Render. First, ensure your Flask app is production ready with debug equals false and proper configuration for your environment. Now, create a Git repository for your Flask application and push it to GitHub. Then, install Qnicorn using pip install Qnicorn and include it in requirements.txt. Create a proc file in the root of your project with the command shown on the screen. Next, sign up or log in to Render at render.com. After that, click New, then select Web Service and connect your GitHub repository with your Flask project. Choose the Python environment and select the correct branch to deploy from. Lastly, set environment variables like Flask_app and Flask_env if necessary in Render's dashboard. Then, click Create Web Service and Render will automatically deploy your Flask app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.